much you're gonna see because it's kind of dark in here. I was spending a couple of days messing around with this scammer on TikTok. Yeah, they tried to tell me I won $50,000, but bottom line, you know, they came on there and it's a publisher's clearinghouse thing. I already knew it was probably a scam anyway, but they want, the minute they start asking you for money and they tell you that you won money, yeah. Anyway, I found these. I don't know how much you're gonna see because it's kind of dark in here. But I found these. I haven't played with them in like 1,000 years. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can still do with them. I gotta be careful because they are still a little sharp. But see, what I was thinking is this is a good way to work my left hand too, because, yeah. Ooh, almost caught the weight that time. Another thing I've noticed about the butterfly knives is the clasp is on the wrong side. Because if you grab the clasp on this side, like this, like you're supposed to be able to, because that's the whole idea of unopening quick, is you can pop the clasp and flip them out like that. But you know what? The minute I did that, you see where that blade is? Yeah. So you gotta flip it around. I'm surprised I could even do these a little bit. I used to be a lot of it. Like riding a bike, I guess. Only not quite as smooth. There's some bumps. See the left hand. I don't have good control of my left hand. Ever since my shoulder injury. I mean, y'all are probably watching the video going, damn, looks like you got really good control of that left hand. But to me, it's not as good as the right. Right, I can do this all day. But not so much. And yeah, I gotta watch it because my TV's over. Maybe I'll get back into practicing with these a little bit. I can't take them out. It's another thing, like the nunchucks. They're illegal. But they're really only illegal if you use them against somebody. You know what I mean? So, you can have them. You can practice with them. You just can't fight anybody with them. But that's okay with me because I trained to the point where I'm the weapon. Not my weapons. My weapons are just an extension of me. And that's what the truth of martial arts is, you know, when you learn martial arts weapons, you're the actual weapon. The rest of it's just an extension of you. These are just an extension of me. Despite my faulty left hand. Okay, I just wanted to show a little bit. Oh shit, I showed 4 minutes of this. Okay, cool. Have a nice day, everybody. Butterfly knives are cool.